first thing to do is to expand this bracket. That is, x minus 1 times x minus 1 equals 4x minus 7. So let's expand the bracket. This times this, that is x squared. You know, this, then x times minus 1 gives us minus x. X minus this minus x. Plus minus times minus plus 1 times 1, 1. So equals 4x minus 7. That is x squared minus 2x plus 1 equals 4x minus 7. Look at that. So let's try to rearrange. So x squared minus 2x minus 4x, when this one comes to this side, then plus 1 plus 7 equals 0 when this one also comes to this side as well. So with this, we have x squared minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation we want to solve now. We have to know the largest root. So from that now, we have x squared times 8. You know, that means we are having, from that here, we have x squared times plus 8. That gives us 8x squared, no, plus 8x squared. So look at the factors. So far this place is plus, we are going to have the same sign for the two factors, and the bigger number will carry this negative sign. So mean we have minus minus. So from that now, so we have minus 4x times minus 2x. So we give us plus 8x squared. Then minus 4x minus 2x give us minus 6x. So when you look at it now, you have minus 6x and that one here. So meaning x squared minus 4x minus 2x plus 8 equal to 0. So let's try to group them. Let's group them. So this is x into x minus 4 minus 2 into x minus 4 equals 0. If you look at it now, x minus 4, that is x minus 4 times x minus 2, look at that, equals 0. If you look at that now, so x minus 4 here, x minus 2 here. So either x minus 4 equals 0 or x minus 2 equals 0. So therefore, x equal to minus 4 or x equal to plus 4 or x equal to plus 2. So when this comes to this side and when this comes to this side. So only thing now we need now is the largest roots of the equation. So the largest now, the largest roots is x equal to plus 4. Look at that. So largest root, so x equal to plus 4. That's the solve the equation 3a minus 2 times 5a minus 4 equals 3a minus 2 squared. This is a quadratic equation. The first thing to do now, let's try to rearrange this equation. So that is, let's solve this together. So we have 3a minus 2 squared minus 3a minus 2 times 5a minus 4. Let's look at this. So if you look at it very well, you see that 3a minus 2. 3a minus 2 is common to both of these equations. So this equal to 0. So from that, let's make 3a minus 2. Let's factor it out. So you can see it here. So remaining, let's open something like this. 3a minus 2, one that remains here. Then this one is outside as well, minus what remains here is 5a minus 4 equals 0. So if you understand that fact, that I factor 3a minus 2 out here, 1 here, 1 here. If this one remains 3a minus 2, while this remains 5a minus 4. So from that, 3a minus 2 let's open this bracket and see what we have here. So with this, we have 3a minus 2 minus 5a plus 4 minus this, minus times minus plus 4 equal to 0. So from that, you can rearrange here. 3a minus 2 into, we have 3a minus 5a, that is 2a, minus 2 plus 4, that is plus 2. So we have a factor now, so equal to 0. So they have factorized this equation. So to get value of a now, either 3a minus 2 equals 0, or 2a plus 2, look at that, minus 2a plus 2 equals 0. So because this is minus 5a, 3a, so it's going to remain minus 2a here. So with this, 3a equals 2. Therefore, a equal to 2 over 3, or minus 2a equal to minus 2 when this comes here. When this comes here, we have that. Then our a now equal to minus 2 over minus 2, that is a equals 1. So the values of a here is a equal to 2 over 3 or a equal to 1. Solve the equation log a base 3 is power 2 minus 6 log a square base 3 plus 9 equal to 0. It's also a quadratic equation. So what we are going to do first here, we are going to substitute. So say let x equals log a base 3, look at that, log a base 3. So if you substitute this one for this, so x equal to log a base 3. So anywhere we see log a base 3, we put x. So that meaning equation will become x squared, look at that, minus 6x plus 9 equals 0. So with this, we can substitute, we can factorize this now. And this is what? This is x squared minus 3x minus 3x plus 9 equal to 0. So if we try to group this, what we are going to have here, we are going to have x into x minus 3. Look at that, minus 3 into x minus 3 equal to 0. So therefore, this is x minus 3, because x minus 3 is common, then x minus 3 equal to 0. So therefore, either x minus 3 equal to 0 or x minus 3 equal to 0. So therefore, x minus x equal to 3 or x equal to 3. So therefore, x equal to 3 twice. Equal to 3 twice. So if x equal to 3, remember log x equal to log a base 3. So it's not very easy now for us. Look at that. So to substitute, so our x equal to 3. So therefore 3 equal to log a base 3. Then a equal to 3 raised to power 3. Look at that. This power to give this one. Then a now equal to 27. That's the value. A equal to 27. Let y equal 3 raised to power x. Then we have y squared plus 6y equals 27. Let me write this equation. That is y squared plus 6y minus 27 equal to 0. So when you have this, it's a quadratic equation that we need to solve as you have this. So this is minus 27 and this is plus 6. So therefore I'm going to have y squared plus 9y minus 3y minus 27 equal to 0. So you can discover that this is a quadratic equation that we are trying to group. So I want to group this together now. We have to factorize to get my factors out. So therefore I have y into y plus 9 minus 3 into y plus 9, which is equal to 0. So if you look at this very well, this y plus 9 is common. So I'm going to factor this out. That's y plus 9 times y minus 3 equal to 0. And when y plus 9 times y minus 3 equal to 0, so it's either, look at that, either y plus 9 equal to 0 or y minus 3 equal to 0. So from there now, you can know the value of y. So y now equal to minus 9 or y equal to 3. Now, remember that we substitute that 3 raised to power s equal to y. Since the value of 3 raised to power s must be positive, so therefore we have to drop this. So we make use of this. Then y 3 raised to power s now equal to 3. Then 3 raised to power s equal to 3 raised to power 1. Then therefore our s equal to 1. So find the values of y for which 16 raised to power y minus 5 times 4 raised to power y plus 4 equal to 0. It's a quadratic equation of that contain index form. So let's try to solve it together. So with this, 16 raised to power y minus 5 times 4 raised to power y plus 4 equal to 0. We rewrite it in this form. That is 4 raised to power 2y minus 5 into y raised 4 raised to power y plus 4 equal to 0. Then let t equals 4 raised to power y. So with this, you can substitute the t for 4 raised to power y, meaning you have t squared here minus 5t plus 4 equals 0. So from that, this is t squared minus 4t minus t plus 4 equals 0. So with this, I can easily group this together, having t into t minus 4 minus 1 into t minus 4 equals 0. So t minus 4 is common. T minus 4 into t minus 1 equal to 0. So from here now, either t minus 4 equal to 0 or t minus 1 equal to 0. So from that, you have t equal to 4 or t equal to 1. So when you know the value of t now, so the next step is to apply it. So to find the value of y. To find the value of y. So when t equals 4, when t equals 4, and recall that we have make it clear here that 4 raised to power y equal to t, meaning 4 raised to power y equal to 4 raised to power 1. Then this goes, and then y equal to 1. Yeah, that's the first one. Then when t equals 1, then 4 raised to power y equal to 1. Something is happening here. Recall that x raised to power 0 is 1. Then from that, 4 raised to power y equal to 4 raised to power 0. Then therefore y equal to 0. So the value of y is either 1 or y equal to 0. So for x in s squared plus 2 over m squared x plus 1 over m raised to power 4 equal to 0. It's also a quadratic equation that's going to lead to perfect square. So what we are going to do here is this. Let's solve this together. That's s squared plus, let me write it very well, that is 2, look at that, 2 into, let's do like this, 2 into 1 over m squared, look at that, x plus 1 over m squared raised to power 2, look at that, equal to 0, because 1 raised to power 2 is 1, while m2 raised to power 2 is raised to power 4. So from that, we can easily say let 1 over m squared equal to y. Look at this. So if this equal to y, so we substitute it in this, that is s squared plus 2yx here now, plus y squared equal to 0. So x squared plus 2yx plus y squared equal to 0. So the next thing now, this is s squared plus yx plus yx plus y squared equal to 0. So let's try to group them together. So from here now I have x into x plus y. Look at that. So x plus y here. Then likewise this one too, plus y into x plus y equal to 0. So x plus y is common. So x plus y then into x plus y equal to 0 now. So therefore from here now, s equal to minus y, or s equal to minus y. So therefore you can see that s equal to minus y twice. So but remember, y equal to 1 over m squared. So meaning that 1 over m squared equal to y. Look at that, y equal to y. So and our y is, we have our x equal to minus y. So if that is the case, from here now, our 1 over m squared now equal to minus, that is minus x, equal to minus x, as x equal to minus y, then y equal to minus x. So with that, we have our s to be minus 1 over m squared. That's the value of our x here. Look at it. 9 raised to power x minus 4 times 3 raised to power x plus 3 equals 0. So to solve this type of problem, we look at it that this 3 raised to power 2x minus 4 times 3 raised to power x plus 3 equal to 0. So let 3 raised to power x, this one, let it equal to y. So let's keep it here. Then we substitute, that is y squared minus 4y plus 3 equals 0. Then this is y squared minus 3y minus y plus 3 equal to 0. So let's group them. Then we group them, we have y into y minus 3 minus y into y minus 3 equals 0. So then y minus 3 is common here. So the y minus 1 equals 0. So from there now, either y minus 3 equal to 0 or y minus 1 equals 0. From that, y equal to 3 or y equal to 1. So with this now, to find the value of x, we find the value of this x. So when y equals 3, remember 3 raised to power x equal to y, then 3 raised to power x equal to 3 raised to power 1, therefore x equal to 1 here. Then when y equal to 1, when y equal to 1, then we come here, 3 raised to power x equal to 1, then 3 raised to power x equal to 3 raised to power 0. So we call that x raised to power 0 is 1. This, then x equal to 0. So the value of x equal to 1 or x equal to 0